Welcome back to another episode. Now, we have a very, very special episode today. We're going to be talking about this company. It's ticker symbol AI. Now, this one here is C3 AI. Looking at this thing, you'll notice it's had a crazy move up well over 30% in value. Looking at the 1 minute chart, you guys will see just how massive this move was. The stock was trading for lows here at about $20 and ended up hitting highs at 28. And this is because the company announced some earnings. Now, in earnings is when the company comes out and they give you all the fundamentals, the revenue, cash on hand, all the stuff all the nerds like myself care about, and they beat expectations. They were expected to bring in about $64 million, but they brought in about $66 million, so beating expectations by about $2 million. So anytime you have that, you're obviously going to have a lot of buying pressure, a lot of people entering this position because they want to invest into a growing company. People want to invest in the next Tesla, in the next Amazon, in the next Apple. They want to find these stocks. So in order for them to do so, a lot of people think that investing into companies that are beating earnings is a great way and a great indicator to determine if that stock is going to succeed. So now the reason why I think we've seen a lot of buying pressure as well is we've seen this huge demand for our artificial intelligence. We've seen a huge demand for OpenAI. We had ChatGPT, which has been the fastest online site to hit 100 million users. Now, C3 AI is an artificial intelligence and software company that pretty much is in the same sector, in that same realm. So you're obviously going to have a lot of continuation off that. You're going to have people want to invest in that just because there is a demand. And the CEO of, C3 AI came out and he said that AI and OpenAI, that software is going to be a $600 billion business. So obviously you're going to have a lot more people wanting to invest. Now, that's why we've seen this move. Now, does this mean you should invest into this company? So to understand that, it always comes down to revenue, to, net profit margin. But one, the company is not profitable. So I think for me, just that they have a negative profit margin. The company, looking at the chart here, you'll notice we've seen this massive downward trend. So the sellers are in control of this company. And if you guys want to invest into AI, I believe that there is better options out there other than this. I think a good couple of stocks that carry potential, that have a ton of opportunity, have a ton of cash, and are investing billions, and we could see a huge growth from them, is Google, ticker symbol GOOGL. But the reason why I like this one over AI is just it's going to be a little more stable. They've been investing a lot more money. They're the leader of search engine. Google is a lot more than you and I think it is. Google owns YouTube. They own a whole bunch of other companies. And so I think that they have a better competitive advantage over a lot of other companies when it comes to AI and OpenAI in that realm there. Another company would be Microsoft. This one here is very similar. They've been investing hundreds of millions of dollars into AI software. I think for me, understanding that we've seen a lot more sell-off, this has a better upward trend, better revenue, better profit margin, all that good stuff. For me, that carries a lot more potential. I'm not saying that that C3 you can't make any money from it, but I just think that, we've seen just a lot of volatility where the stock has gone, from, 120 to 180, back down, to 12, back up to 24, back down to 10, back up to 30. So, it's very, very volatile, going up and down at rapid rates. And I think right now we've seen this stock the train's kind of already left the station, and I think the risk for me is too high for the reward in order to invest. I think if you're looking to invest, I would try to get in near and around that $20 mark, just because we've established some support there. So I think that would be a good opportunity there. There is some resistance, up here at 30. So we'll see what happens, whether this thing continues to pop up, or it kind of curls back down to some support lines. So for me, I'm staying away from it, but that is why we've seen a lot of buying pressure from this thing, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, by all means, ask them down in the comments. Shorter video today. I'm going on vacation tomorrow, so we'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. Take care, everyone.